In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Teachable course. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a YouTube video inside a lesson so it plays smoothly for your students and looks great on any device. First, open your course's curriculum. Log into your Teachable school, head to Courses, select the course you're working on, and open the curriculum area. From here, choose the lesson where you want the video to appear. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new lesson and give it a clear title so it's easy for students to find later. Inside the lesson editor, click Add Content. You'll see different block types. The video block is for uploading a video file directly to Teachable, which is helpful if you're hosting your own media. But since we're using YouTube, choose the custom code or embed block. This option is ideal when you want to stream from YouTube, save storage in Teachable, and take advantage of YouTube's reliable playback and closed captions. Now, let's embed the YouTube video. Open the YouTube video you want to include. Click Share, then Embed. You'll see a preview and an iframe code. Copy that iframe code. If you prefer, you can also copy the regular YouTube URL. But the iframe is the most reliable way to ensure the player displays correctly within Teachable. Before you leave YouTube, double-check the video's visibility settings. Public or unlisted works best for courses. Private videos won't play for your students unless you've specifically granted access through YouTube. Go back to your Teachable lesson editor. Make sure you're inside the custom code or embed block and paste the iframe code you copied. Teachable typically makes embedded videos responsive, so they'll scale for desktop and mobile automatically. If YouTube's embed options are available, you can use them to toggle features like player controls or privacy-enhanced mode, but the default settings work well for most lessons. When you're done, save your changes. That's the key step that ensures your video is actually stored in the lesson. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the lesson as a student to confirm the video loads, plays smoothly, and the captions or quality settings behave as expected. Remember, any captions you've set up in YouTube will carry over to the embedded player. That's it. You've added a YouTube video to your Teachable course by placing it into the lesson where it belongs, embedding it with the custom code block, and saving your work. Keep this flow in mind for future lessons, and you'll build out your video curriculum quickly and confidently.